Well, let's shift our focus to the commodity markets where all the action is really for the last many days and weeks. So Manisha has her hands full. Manisha, what's the one commodity you're tracking today?
Well, it's difficult to do that really, Sonia. So while gold and silver are trading at an all-time highs in the Indian markets and the international markets as well, but I do want to talk about industrial metals right now because the strong manufacturing activity that we are looking at globally seems to be supporting this. So when you look at the manufacturing numbers from US, China, Germany, all of that has improved quite strongly, and that in turn has been supportive. I want to start talking about zinc first because the latest outperformance has come in from this one. It's trading at a one-year highs right now, and we are trading above $2,700 a ton onto this one. The reason that zinc prices are in support because there are reports of various mine closures in Australia and Ireland as well. In any case, the zinc demand seems to be improving, especially in Europe and China as well. The other metal on your screen clearly should be copper because this is where it all started. LME Copper is trading at a 14-month highs. There is a very strong fund buying that we've seen. If you look at the Chinese copper prices, they are trading at an all-time highs. When you look at the US copper prices, well, they are trading at a 16-month highs. So when you look at the global markets across time zones, copper seems to be doing well in each one of them. We also are looking at stronger strength going forward. Also, when you look at LME and Shanghai right now, the gap is the widest since 2013, and there's a lot of arbitrage opportunities and trades that we are seeing happening between both of these exchanges. And this is what the brokerages are now saying. Citi for one sees copper at $9,700 in 3 months and at $10,000 a ton by fourth quarter. Citi also has a report suggesting that $12,000 of an all-time high copper is what you could be looking at in the next year as well. So this is not a short-term rally by any chance or standards that you're seeing in copper. Goldman Sachs also is talking about $10,000 a ton of copper, and they expect that price in this year itself. So very strong going when it comes to copper prices there. Platinum is another one, and the prices are trading at a 4-month highs onto this one. In the last 3 trading sessions, we've seen platinum prices gain up by 12%. So $1,000 an ounce is back in case of platinum. Tin is trading at a 15-month highs. Indonesia has restarted mining, but there are concerns about regulatory approvals going forward, and that is keeping these prices in favor as well. So as I said, everything from copper, zinc, tin, lead, nickel, aluminum is trading in the positive and at multi-month highs. I also want to take you through on what we've done in the previous 1 week when it comes to many of these metals. So copper is gained up by 3.5%, but copper has been gaining for last 5 weeks now. Aluminum, similar story, 1.5% up in this week as well. Tin has surged up recently, so 7% of gains onto this one in a matter of a week. And when you look at the other metals, zinc is up 7.5%, lead 7%, nickel 7.5%, and all of this movement in these prices has happened over the last 6 or 7 trading sessions itself.
All right, Manisha, thanks very much for that. So commodities really, seeing a lot of move across the board.